Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working during calls on your Samsung Galaxy A27. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and check the permissions for an app. So we're gonna go and open settings, scroll down to apps, and here we want to find an app that we use for our calls. So if it's the phone app, make sure that you scroll down to the letter P. Now, of course, I'm going to choose the phone app because this is the default one. Here we have the phone and we got permissions. Here we want to make sure that there's access to our phone. So there's no straight up microphone option. There's just phone, and the phone option is basically our microphone. So of course you can check any other app. For example, if you're talking with somebody, as you guys can see here, we have permissions and there's no permissions allowed and etc. Here we have all permissions, and of course we got the microphone, record audio. So we need to make sure that, for example, if we're using Meet, that it has access to our microphone. Here we have it. Now make sure that if it's on do not allow, then it will not work, but if you see allow only while using the app, it will work just fine. And now you can just go over, hop on the Meet call or hop on the phone call, and then everything will work just fine. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.